Hello? Are you serious? Okay, I'm coming. I'm coming. No, I won't take your time. I'm coming. Yeah! Give me my pants.
Oh my days, no more worry to your long. With the glory and one more you.
Baby, this security work is really stressing.
I don't tire for the work. I'm tired.
Don't worry, everything will be fine. You know that's why I brought you food. So that you can eat when you're free.
What would I have done without you?
Oh,
thank you. Hey, but I will eat it later, yeah? Who be that? Man of God from the Most High.
Sister, can I talk to you?
of course, sure.
The law said that you'll be getting married very soon. To a rich doctor. Yeah! So shall it be.
It is what it is.
Think about your life. You are a failure. You can never make it.